Hello, in this video I will give you a short demo how you can use the software which is called bulk rename utility. So what this software is about is renaming stuff, renaming files and folders in bulk. Like you add different commands and different conditions and you put them here, and with the use of this you can simply rename thousands of files with only one click. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we can see as uh, you can simply go into the folder in which your files are. For example, let's say I want to replace pixels with something like box, for example. So I will put pixels and I'll add box. So if I click here, here it will show a box like the one which I need to replace with in the new name category. So if I select Control A, it will select all the files, and if I do Control R, okay, it will simply rename this. You can also check the shortcut keys here, like the one I used was Control R. So we just discussed the replace stuff. Okay, so the next one is remove. So for example, if you want to remove something in the starting area or after the end, like prefix or postfix. So for example, if I want to remove this box uh, letter, so I will simply there are three words, so I will simply put three. If I click here, you will see the new name, the box is removed. Or if I want to remove these at the end, I'll simply put the numbers, like how many digits I want to remove. So for example, I want to remove 8. So here you can simply, if this is your final output, you can simply click on Control R, it will get renamed. Okay, so this is discussed. Let's move to the next one. This is the add category. For example, I want to add something in the start. Let's say I add box, so the box is back. Or if I want to add the word box in the last, I'll simply add it in the suffix. It will come up here as a as at the end. So this was pretty simple. Like if you want to add at the start or after the end. So auto date, like if you want to add a date in the prefix, like in the start or in the suffix or in the end. You can also change the different format like date, month, year, or month, date, year, as you like. And also, if you want to add something custom, you can add it here. Next option is numbering. So for example, if you want to add numbering in ascending or descending order, or in the start prefix or suffix, you can simply select prefix, and if you want to add your number from 1, simply add 1, and if you select all, you can see it says 1 2 3 4. So for example, if I started from 5, so it will start from 5 6 7 8 in ascending order with the increment of 1. So if you want to even numbers, you can simply let's say you have started from 2 and added increment of 2, so it will be 2 4 6 8. So this is how you can add numbering as well. Also right now you can see that the numbers are there, but there is no spacing in between, so you can simply add one space bar in the SEP separate section. You'll add space in the final outcome. So let's say these were my final requirements, so I'll just do Control R and the files are renamed. So this is how the numbering works in bulk rename utility. Now let's move to the new option, which I think is the most important and most used one. So let's discuss that. Okay, so in this option, for example, you have a number of folders, and in that folder you have different files. So you want to have the same name for the files, the folder you have. For example, right now you can see I have a folder name new folder. Okay, so inside that there is a file with this name. So I want the file inside to have the same name as the parent folder. So for example, the folder name is new folder and the file is this name. So I want here new folder, and for the next one I want here new folder and 2 in bracket, and next one new folder 3, and next one new folder 4. I hope this is clear, the question or instruction. So how you can do it, you can simply come in the name area. uh, we want to remove this name. Okay, so we can simply click on remove. So the name is removed, the original file name is removed, and under append folder name you can simply add prefix. Okay, so for example, if I go in new folder and click on this file, it will get the name from its parent folder. So if I want to confirm it, I can simply click on Control R. If I go here, you can see the name is new folder. Also for this one, here it is, Control R, new folder 3, new folder 4. So this is the frequently used one. Like many people use this for their different photography stuff or any other Photoshop work. So yeah, these were the simple demo options, or mainly used options in bulk rename utility, which people use frequently. If you want to discuss more stuff or options in these, you can simply comment down below this video. I will share the solution or answer. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.